What's going on, everybody? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all having an amazing and productive day so far. This is going to be a day in the life of a 7-figure e-commerce entrepreneur. So I'm going to take you along, and one thing that's going to be a little bit different today is that we are not where I live full-time, which is Puerto Rico. We are actually where I'm originally from, North Carolina, because I have a wedding to go to. So you're going to see a day in the life, a little bit into my schedule, how I maintain my productivity, and how I enjoy my time. So let's go ahead, get started, and see you in the video. You know how to swim?
Yeah. Can you get closer to you?
Oh, you're good.
Oh, my contacts don't come out.
All right, we got Vince back there. We're about to race. So I'm gonna do my lap first. I'm going from this corner right here, going over there. It's maybe about a quarter mile. So he doesn't know though, this thing is supercharged. So I'm gonna give it all it's got. And hopefully she pushes me over 70 miles an hour and we beat Vince. But to be fair, he's also on the faster jet ski. It's a little lighter, so let's get to it.
Lost his hat. That was so scary. That boat had some like weights, and I was like, oh.
Look at that boy hauling. That boy thinks he's in a super. Oh, he already hit the waves. That wakeboard boat got his ass.
Come on.
Yo! Look at that, professional. Best thing you can do in the morning is wake yourself up with some nice cold water. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, it feels nice. The hat is saved, back recovered, we're good to go. Check this out, we're on a mission right now. Vince just got this M3, so we're gonna go to the gym right now, work out. I wanna hear this car some more, and then we gotta go pick up my car, do some other stuff, have some fun. Also got some important work to get done. Let's hop into the car and get going. What year is this?
2013. It's the last year they made this body style.
Wow. All right, we just made it to the gym for Vince's birthday. What I'm donating him is free donuts. And I'm not talking about the ones you eat. So let's do it. Oh, this thing's about to be so loud. Oh, for sure! For sure! There he goes. Oh my gosh, that thing sounds crazy. All right, now let's go get a workout in. Today in the gym, I'm gonna be the hardest working person in here, 100%. All right, you ready? Behind the scenes of a 200,000 square foot gym.
That boy's gone.
All right, now, before we work out, the best pre-workout I like is some Kalahari Biltong. This is not sponsored, but pure protein, lots of sodium, get me feeling nice and ready to get a good pump in. My good buddy Daniel, Mr. Business, this is one of his investment properties that he bought to flip. So currently he's in the process of doing that. And while we have this gym here, we're gonna take advantage of it and make the most out of this, this workout. So today's push day, let's do it.
Back in my bag and I ain't gotta brag, I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal. We put the shit in overdrive with no steering wheel. Shorty throw that thing back in a pair of heels. Yeah, and she be riding on that thing like a Ferris wheel. Yeah, I love them dark skin, brown skin, caramel. You know I had to bring it to the hood like she Karen Civil when she keep on turning head. Cause when she walk that thing jiggle, jiggle. And we going.
Oh, for sure, he got that gripper on him.
Oh, yeah?
Oh my God, he's been in the elbows even down, getting a little tricep going. Oh, you're sus, bro. I wanted to pause the montage real quick, show you one of my favorite workouts here I like to do at the gym. What you need is, you can do this with a kettlebell as well. You get a little bit of like a, it's almost like a little hammer here. You can do different things with it, swing it, etc. Hey, yo! That's not good. You stop bleeding! To be 100% transparent, one of the biggest things that I started focusing on that really transformed my life inside of business and everything else has really just been focusing more so on my health. A year ago, I was like 40 pounds heavier, just a lot more body fat, and overall just that caused me to have bad habits of eating, etc. And because of that, you don't realize all the things you're eating that's processed and such would cause me to be kind of unproductive for like days at a time if I had a binge session of eating cookies and whatever the hell it would be. But as I started focusing on my health, it's allowed for me to become more more sharp consistently. And I recommend anybody, whether you're fat, skinny, in shape, or whatever, just to create some type of habit where you're actively conscious of what you're eating, just moving every day, getting sunlight. That's what's transformed my life as a complete 180. Just focusing more so on my body, which has then in return helped me with my mind, just becoming sharper to be able to produce more. Yeah, it can seem cheesy, it can be a little cliche, but at the end of the day, it's true. And yeah, let's keep going. All right, we just wrapped up the workout for the morning. Now we gotta get some breakfast and get those muscles growing. So we're gonna head to a breakfast place and eat some eggs. This guy's teasing me with his butter pancakes. All right, we just made it to my parents' house here in North Carolina. This is my 2018 Porsche 718 Cayman that I leave here at my parents' house. It's always nice to come back and drive around, fun little go-kart. The first car I ever bought, and I'm gonna keep this thing forever. Beat the crap out of it. So let's go see Gibby. Gibby!
Hi.
Now let's go down and to my dad's building. What up, boy?
It's paparazzi.
You know what this is? I8. Pretty similar from the front.
Pretty much the same shit.
I think you should do a little sound test on it though.
Stop that bitch.
You can cold start it.
Go start it.
No wood.
You ain't got no wood in there. Holy shit. And not one little piece of wood in there. It's all plastic. See all that wood in there? That's class, baby. You're young, buddy. You got time to step it up.
It's a Z3 M3 comparison review right there. All right, this is a perfect setup. I'll do a little burnout here. All right, now we're gonna head to the office to get some work done, but I had an idea for a pit stop we could make, and we need a pit stop for the pit stop to grab some supplies, so we're gonna head to the store and pick it up. Gotta load up here. Get some Diet Mountain Lion, lemon up, cherry cola, black cherry. What's your favorite soda pop, Vince?
Man, I don't know. Out of all these, let's go with the orange.
What about the Dr. Perky? See, this is a quick lesson on branding, guys. A very similar product, or maybe even the same as a Dr. Pepper, but they charge less. Make it a value brand, call it a little rip-off Dr. Perky, but Dr. Pepper can charge more because they have better branding. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What do you think we're doing, guys? Leave a comment right now. What do you think we're about to do with all these soda pops? All right, I think that's enough. Thank you so much. Have a great day. I think next time we got to go a little bit more aggressive, like have Vince like filming people like close up and stuff. This is one thing that we don't have in Puerto Rico that we do have here in North Carolina, and that is a tick. If you don't know what a tick is, I can't just get this bug here and squeeze it. They stick to your skin, and to kill them, you literally have to burn them with a lighter. So, see if I can, look at that. Oh, it's gone. Well, that's the start of this adventure. So we just picked up some soda pops from the Food Lion, and now we have some water toys, and we're going to just relieve some stress, do some things that are loud and crazy, and then it's gonna allow for me to be in a tranquil, and then that's gonna allow for me to be in a nice all right, let's go. All jokes aside, before we get started here with some fun, I don't like soda, I wouldn't drink it, but we did in fact get the Diet Dr. Perky. So before we destroy it, I want to give it a fair taste test. First impressions, smells legit. Damn, pretty good. Can't have any more, so you know what that means.
Daddy, chill.
First time's a charm, baby. We crushed it. Look at that. First shot. That's how I really feel about the Dr. Perky. Now, we didn't hit the orange one because it fell over, but we got 2 more here. And Vince is gonna give it a go. He's actually a sharp shooter. That's what I've heard. He's taking some classes and stuff, so we'll see what he can do. Don't make any funny edits. Oh, this one's about to bust.
Hey, yo!
All right, it's live. As soon as you pull the trigger, it's good. Here goes Vince. Oh, for sure. Sharp shooter. Oh, damn, them classes be really working, huh? 3 in a row, baby. Nice. All right, we're assessing the damage from Vince. Man, he really tore those things up. 3 in a row. Except Mr. Orange here is still, after 2 rounds, he's There it goes. And if anybody's complaining here after watching this that we're wasting sody pops, you are absolutely right. Sody pops are bad for you, real sugar or fake sugar. So I will waste all the sody pops I want. Don't cancel me. All right, just trading cars with Vince. I'm in the M3. That's right, baby! All right, we made it to the office. Been working here for a couple of hours now, just knocking out some stuff. So if you don't know, a few videos ago, if you watch my channel, we started a digital dropshipping brand, and I've been showing you guys all about it and how to do it. And yes, you can see the revenue here, which is cool. But the amazing thing about digital dropshipping is that we have extraordinary profit margins because we sell products with no cost of goods and can infinitely sell the same product over and over without having to worry about any of the crazy logistics. And the day this video is being posted is the day that we are launching the full program, the mastery program, where you can join our community and learn step by step all of my strategies. So right here, I just want to give you a little bit of a sneak peek of what you're actually getting when you join the digital dropshipping mastery program. And what you can do is go to the top link in the description. You're going to be able to expand the curriculum and see all the lessons, where this is a 4-week challenge with daily tutorials and quizzes for accountability so that you can keep up and start your own digital dropshipping business and make profitable sales within the first 30 days. And here are some of the bonus sections right now. And as we continue to add more, they will be here on this section. And another cool part about this program is the fact that we have a private Discord community where you can ask a question 24/7 to one of our experts and get your question answered in as soon as 30 seconds if someone is online, and as long as 24 hours. And if you want to learn more about this and get in at the one-time price that we have right now, just click the link in the top of the description and go ahead and join the program, and I'll see you on the inside. But now I'm gonna get back to work and stay productive. See you later. All right, we just wrapped up some good work at the office, and now my good friend Daniel, also known as Mr. Business, just flew in from Colorado. So we're gonna go hit a quick hike here in a place I really, really love, and I'm gonna take you along the way. And right now we're just on the drive. It's about 40 minutes, so I'll see you there. We made it. Oh, look at this guy. What's up, what's up? All right, we're gonna crush this hike. Nice little exercise. My boy, Mr. Business. Let's go. All right, we're here. We're doing it. We're on the hike. It's been a long day of having some fun, getting some work done. I think the next clip, unless something crazy happens, we'll see you at the top. How you feeling?
Fucking breaking records out here. Records in my bank account, records on this mountain right here.
I like that. All right, we made it here to the top of Hanging Rock. You know, a lot of people don't know about North Carolina or what there is to see, but as you can see, there's tons of stuff like this. This is a random little hike here, and look how beautiful this is with the sunset. Last time I came here, a little over a month ago here with Daniel, and it was his first time hiking up it, and this time we beat the record. So the fun part is going down though, a little more knee work.
Yeah.
What's the hardest part about this hike for you?
I think the last 10% is probably 50% of your energy, but it's just that incline of watching a foot placement. It's not bad. I think it's 1.2 up, 1.3 up.
Now, why won't you sit right here next to me?
On the next one, I think.
I think this is a good spot to end this video. Now we're here at the top of Hanging Rock. The sunset is happening, and this is just a beautiful place. And I recommend to anybody, anywhere you are in the world, to always take time to go outside and explore nature. It's good, it's healthy for you, and at least for me, as a business owner, it allows me to get more creativity, kind of push myself in uncomfortable situations, because really I hate heights. And this is really out of my comfort zone to be this close to the edge of where I could fall, and I would probably not survive. So I hope you've enjoyed this day in the life video. If you want more and want to see what's happening next, then I would love to do a day in the life in Puerto Rico, where I live full time. And today, when this video is being published on July 1st, 2022, Digital Dropshipping Mastery has officially released. So check the top link in the description to learn how I start and scale digital dropshipping brands. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know, but I will see you on the inside. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a big like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.